The library explains, how do I find standards, patents, laws and statistics? Ben is writing his bachelor's thesis on sound insulation and needs literature. He has found several books and articles in the library catalog Chi. Ben's supervisor recommends that he additionally substantiates his thesis with solid facts. For this purpose, he should quote from laws, statistics and current standards and patents. Ben doesn't know how to find this kind of literature. Therefore, he asks the librarian for help. She shows him specific databases in Chi. First, she explains the standards database Paranorm to Ben. Here he can research national and international standards and download valid DIN standards, and VOV-DE guidelines. The guidelines of the professional associations VOV-DE and IEEE can be accessed in full text via separate databases. Standards and technical rules that the library does not own, are purchased and borrowed to students and lecturers upon request. Patents are freely available and can be researched via the databases of the patent and trademark offices. For German patents, Ben can obtain a good overview of the state-of-the-art of his topic with the help of dPatentsnet. To find laws, she shows Ben the database Beck Online. Here, he can find laws, comments, specialist news, jurisdictions, forms and journals on his subject. Finally, the librarian refers to the Statista database. Here, he can find, for example, statistics on industries or companies, studies on current topics or the results of current surveys. Ben is excited, he has found so much literature. Furthermore, he can easily download many documents as full text. Ben quotes the standards, patents, laws and statistics in his thesis, and, in doing so, he proves his argumentation. Are you also looking for standards, patents, laws or statistics for your thesis? Do you have any further questions? Visit our website and learn more about our services. The library will help you.